Grace Kitchens is pleased to present Creative Cooking, special editions for the festive season. Exciting new recipes for all the moments that will make your holidays special. And now, here is today's host.
Hello and welcome to Creative Cooking. By now, your meal plans for the festive season are probably well on the way. And today, we'd like to add something more for you to consider. With me to talk about salads is Angella Grandison-Reid of Grace Kitchens. Welcome, Angela.
Yes, I'm happy to be here today.
Salads are often overlooked in the festive season.
That's true, Maisie. And that's why I'm here today to share two exciting recipes because salads, they are an integral part of the menu.
Certainly.
To make it balanced. It's also important for you to do a cooked one and a raw one to make it complete.
Certainly. Right?
And you should plan for your salads. Salads should just not happen.
No.
Okay.
You have a plan. They should come to you with a bundle of colors and...
Exactly. And too many times we concentrate on the meat item or the starch item. And we, just treat salad as it's, a second cousin. Because it's important for you to have 2 to 3 servings of fruits and vegetables every day.
Right.
And your salads will take care of that. Today, I'll be making 2 salads for you. First, a cooked one, festive potato salad, and a raw vegetable salad that is simple green and red salad with a honey yogurt dressing. First, I'll be doing the potato salad. Here, I have potatoes that have been peeled, cubed, and boiled in salted water. And to this, I'll be adding some eggs. So here we have the chopped eggs. To this, I'll be adding some mixed vegetables, Grace mixed vegetables, for color and also for nutrients. I'll be adding some corn for crunch, and children, they love the corn. Adding some green sweet peppers that we get from the farmers in St. Elizabeth. Some yellow one also for color and nutrients. Chopped escallion for flavor. And now I'll be making a mayonnaise-based dressing to add to the potato salad. Here I have some Grace mayonnaise. I'll be adding some grated onions. Gives it zest and flavor. Some white pepper. Remember, the salad is made up of 4 distinctive parts. The body, which is here, the dressing, the base, and I'll show you the base in a little while, and the garnish. So this is ready. I'm going to put it on the potato mixture. As soon as you make up your salad, you either serve it or put it in the refrigerator. Well, look at the colors coming up. Different colors, textures, and shapes makes it into an interesting meal idea. And I mentioned earlier that it should have a base, using some lettuce, nice fresh lettuce leaves to form the base of the salad. So now I'll put in the body, which is a potato, and the dressing is already added. To make it complete, I'll be wedging some of the eggs to form as a garnish. And I've made a tomato rose ahead of time to put it right in the middle. Look at the colors of Christmas coming out. You don't want anything more than this. And next, I'll be making a raw salad. Have the bowl here. I'm going to tear some lettuce leaves. And I prefer to tear the leaves because when I cut it with a knife, it tends to cause discoloration as well. To this, I'll be adding some shredded cabbage, some cucumber slices, and cucumber is a good diuretic. Some green sweet pepper that has been shredded. And this is where the red comes in. I'll toss this together. Okay, that is set aside, and I'm going to make a dressing using yogurt and honey. I'll be adding some honey honey is a natural sweetener. Some grated onion to give the dressing flavor and some zest. Grated tomato ketchup adds color and flavor, nutrients as well. I'll use a whisk. And if you don't have a whisk at home, you could use a spoon, but the whisk get it nicely combined. Using lettuce leaves again as a base. So you spoon on the salad. Just look at that. Beautiful. If you don't have a dressing bottle or a crate, you could use a sweet pepper to make your dressing bottle. And I'm going to pour some of the delivered right on time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just make a little space in the middle here. Right there. And I'm going to put on the lid. Acts as an element of surprise because you don't know what is hidden in there, but it's a creamy, rich honey yogurt dressing. And here's your salad, ready and rearing to go.
Hi, Angela.
Hi, Maisie.
Beautiful salads, eh? And we can't overemphasize the importance of vegetables and salads combined to a meal.
It's very important that you involve it. It's an integral part of the menu offerings.
Angela, thanks for sharing these very creative salad ideas with us.
Thanks, Maisie, for having me. I'm sure you're going to want to come over for dinner.
Without a doubt. There are salads for every occasion, every mealtime. Angela, you have quite a display of salads here. Tell us about them.
Okay, salads are really classified into different categories. We have an appetizer salad that's shown right here. And according to Chef K in his book, Simply Delicious, he said that nothing causes a taste but to dance like a cool salad as an opener.
That is so true, eh?
And we use shrimp right here, but if you're not a seafood lover and you're a vegetarian, you could use some tofu.
Right, it could be baked or it could be coated and fried.
Or jerked, because you want something to tingle that taste bud as an opener.
With the appetite for what is to come, right?
Exactly. Here we're using salads as a relish tray. It can be as a side dish, or if you chose to use it as an appetizer as well.
Okay.
Over there, we're using salad as an accompaniment because it should complement the meal.
Right.
So we use a simple red and green salad. We could use, it's a tossed salad, it could be an arranged vegetable salad. And if you only have tomato and cucumber slices, that could be used as well.
Beautiful.
And then a hearty salad, that could actually be a main meal itself because it has all the trappings of a protein, a starch, vegetables, you name it. The meal is not complete without a sweet ending.
Without a doubt.
And fruit salad is so easy to make. Here we have different textures and shapes and colors.
Coming after salads, we must speak to dressings. Eh?
Okay, that is so true because it doesn't make any sense to make a beautiful salad and you don't have a dressing to serve with it.
Be sure to include a salad or two in your holiday menu. They add variety and they are fairly easy to make. We wish you good eating this season. Till next time, all the best.
Hope you enjoyed today's show. Make it a date to watch Creative Cooking every Monday morning at 7:35 with a repeat on Sundays at 2:20 p.m. Grace Kitchens invites you to share the spirit of the season with tasty meal ideas that will brighten your festive table. Be sure to catch Creative Cooking. Don't miss it.